Good morning everyone. This is Amit Meena, PGT Chemistry from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gangapur City. So today our topic is wave nature and particle nature of electromagnetic radiation from the chapter Structure of Atom. Wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. The theory was proposed by James Clerk Maxwell in 1864. He suggested when an electrically charged particle moves under acceleration, alternating electric and magnetic fields are produced. These fields are transmitted in the form of wave called electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations. These radiations consist of electrical field and magnetic field oscillating perpendicular to each other and both perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the radiation also. So you can see in this diagram, this is the direction of propagation of wave, and the associated fields are electrical field, this black one, and this red one, magnetic field. These two fields are perpendicular to each other as well as they are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave also. The radiation possesses wave character and its travelling speed is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. These waves do not require any medium for their propagation. For example, sun rays we know doesn't require any medium to travel. Different types of electromagnetic radiations differ only in their wavelengths and frequencies. Their wavelengths increase in the following order. So you can see the order here. This is the order, increasing order we can say, of different electromagnetic radiations. When electromagnetic radiations are arranged in the increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequencies, the complete spectrum is obtained called electromagnetic spectrum. So I'll show you electromagnetic spectrum. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. So here we have this wavelength, right side it is increasing, and here the frequency it is decreasing, right side. The part of electromagnetic radiation which we can see is called visible spectrum. This part. Some important characteristics of a wave. First one, wavelength. It is represented by lambda. So to know wavelength, just to see the diagram, this is a wave. It has so many upper peaks called crest and lower peaks, depths called as troughs. So the difference between two continuous crest, or we can say the distance between two continuous crests or continuous troughs is called wavelength. It is expressed in angstrom or meter or centimeter or nanometer picometer. So you can see the relation between angstrom, centimeter, meter, nanometer, picometer also. Next is the frequency. Frequency we know it is the number of oscillations per second. So a wave oscillates how many times in 1 second is called frequency, and its unit is hertz. Next is the velocity of wave. It is defined as the linear distance travelled by the wave in 1 second, and its units its unit will be same meter per second or centimeter per second. Next is the amplitude. You can see here A. So we will represent amplitude by small a letter. What is an amplitude? It is the height of the crest or depth of the trough. Unit is the same like the unit of length. Next is the wave number. Wave number is nothing but the reciprocal of wavelength. जैसे हम लैम्डा वेवलेंथ को सेंटीमीटर में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो वेव नंबर जो होगा 1 लैम्डा विल बी इक्वल टू न्यू बार. न्यू बार मीन्स वेव नंबर और उसका यूनिट होगा सेंटीमीटर इनवर्स. द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन वेलोसिटी, वेवलेंथ एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ अ वेव इज C इज इक्वल्स टू न्यू लैम्डा. यहाँ C क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ वेव, न्यू frequency of wave, and lambda is the wavelength of wave. So there are certain limitations of electromagnetic wave theory. What are these? So many properties of electromagnetic radiation or electron, the property of light, such as interference, diffraction, it can be explained by using this theory, wave theory. But there are certain phenomena which cannot be explained by using this theory. These are mentioned here: black body radiation, photoelectric effect, the variation of heat capacity of solids as a function of temperature, and the line spectra of atoms with spatial reference of hydrogen. So this is all about the electromagnetic wave theory. Thank you.